नहीं आई क्या?
आ गए।
तो कौन बोल रहा?
तेरे को बोला ना तो इससे
डिग्गी मैम, डिग्गी मैम मेरा नाम तो हमारी एचओडी मैम है। वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून।
Biodiversity is the term represents the total variety of all life on Earth. That's a big thing to sum up. Thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and the trillions of different characteristics they all have, represents the total variety of all life on Earth. That's a big thing to sum up.
Good afternoon to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Please mute your mic. So it will not create any disturbances. Now, very warm welcome to all.
Thank you.
Today, we all here gathered to celebrate a 5-day online national level workshop, which is on the International Day of Biodiversity. Now, you might be thinking that is why it is 5-day long. It is as per the Secretariat of CBD, Secretariat of the CBD, this year, that is after the completion of the targets of the decade target, the 2011 to 2020, it has been announced that this year, the 5-day long, this day has to be celebrated so that the conservation of the biodiversity, regarding the conservation, awareness had to be spread all over the world. Now, this 5-day target, what is 5-day target? Do you have the idea why it is celebrated for 5 days?
No, ma'am.
You will not use your mic. Use chat box. You will say yes or no, Y or N. Please switch off your videos and audios. It creates the disturbances over here. Okay. Altogether today, now the 34 so far participants have participated. Before we start, we'll wait for some time to join all the participants before we'll start the quiz. So till then, I will introduce myself. Myself, Neeta Dige. I'm working as assistant professor in BNN College for last 30 years in botany department. Now, our college, Padma Shri Anna Saheb Bharatiya Samaj Unnati Mandals College, which was founded by Padma Shri Anna Saheb Zada, and it is run by the management under the guidance of President Shri Vijay Yadav and Executive President Shri Balkrishna Kale, and our allied principal Dr. Ashok Wagh. Now, biodiversity, as you know, it is the variety of the life on the earth, which includes all the organisms, species, it may be the population, genetic variation, and among them, and all their complex assemblage on the communities and the ecosystem. This is the simple definition of the biodiversity. Now, the logo of this, sorry. This is the logo you should know for this year. This logo consists of you can see the 4 pieces are here. Yes. So this is the puzzle piece. This is the puzzle piece, which is the puzzle piece, which is made up of the 4 pieces, and it is joined together. Down here, you can see the 4 different pieces, and that is the 4 different days which are celebrated significantly, which are here. The significance is symbolized in each piece, each part of the puzzle piece. Now, the first day, that is the 18th of May, we started our workshop on 18th of May. So on 18th of May, it was considered as a science and knowledge. First of all, the theme of this year is that, what is the theme? All of you know the theme? Yes? No, not people, culture, and biodiversity. That is not the theme. What is the theme of this year? What is theme of this year? Biodiversity as a solution of the climate change. No. No. Conservation of no. No. So this is the logo here, and
All,
you, yeah. Anybody?
all solutions in nature.
Yes, all solutions are in
Our
nature.
solutions in nature.
Yes, all solutions are there in nature. So this is the theme of for this year. So first of all, the first day is celebrated, that is as a science and knowledge day, 18th May. Why the science and knowledge? That is, first we should to understand what is the problem of biodiversity, its consequence. If we destruct them, what will be the consequences if we are not conserved it. So to know that, first we must have the knowledge. So the which knowledge, even we can use our traditional knowledge, science, we can apply science, and for that the first day is celebrated, that is, and then only we can apply that knowledge for conservation of the biodiversity, at the same time for utilization in a wise way of the biodiversity. So that is the first day, 18. 19 day, 19 is a conservation of biodiversity. The day 19 is and it is the, what is the symbol over here? For the first symbol you can see here, this is the polar bear. So this polar bear is the symbol for the climatic change. If there is a climatic change over there, you will find it is very significant to the terrestrial land as well as aquatic land, and hence this is symbolized here in the first part. Then second part is your conservation of the biodiversity. So for conservation of the biodiversity, here the second picture you can see goose, which is the migratory bird, and which migrates from one land to the longer distances. So it also communicates with, it is related with the land as well as with the uh, aquatic environment. So that is connected. So the one piece is connected with the other. Then the third is your the 19th March, 19th May. 19th May is for the health, food, and biodiversity. Sorry, 20th May, it is health, food, and biodiversity. So the symbolically, it is represented by a tree and bee. So do you know the 20th May is also the World Bee Day? So your bee is a good pollinator. It is giving the good service, and the tree is supposed to be the fruit tree, which is yielding the fruit only after the pollination. So it is connected with that of the bee, and that is symbolized here. Then the last part of it is there, that is today, that is 21st, and it is the theme for that is people and culture and biodiversity. So people, culture, and biodiversity, how they are connected with each other, that is shown. And now, do you know that this today is the World Day for the Cultural Diversity, Dialogue, and Development? So that is also celebrate along with that remembrance of that also. This is the symbolize that today's day is celebrated. And we have the symbolically, the girl is shown, which is representing the humankind, and the flower in the hand, that is the how conserving the biodiversity, how to use the biodiversity wisely without destructing it and take its good out of it. So all these four puzzle pieces which are shown here separately, they are linked together to form the complete logo. So this is how one should know that why the day is celebrated and why that it is 5 day long. Now the last day is the all the pieces are put together, and as a whole we have to see that is the last day, that is tomorrow. So now we'll go move for, I think the participants have joined, all of you. We'll move on. Everybody is ready for the quiz?
Yes.
Yes. Purva? Now you're going to play this quiz with mobile.
Sorry to unmute, but my Zoom is on laptop. Can I play or I cannot?
Hello? Yes, you can very well do it on the laptop, but if you don't have laptop, no worry, you can play it on the mobile also. So I'll guide you how to play it on the mobile. In mobile it is little bit difficult, but on laptop it will be more easier. You get me?
Thank you.
Okay. Those who are having mobiles, those split it into two screens. Can you see here the mobile here on the screen? Yes, in chat box. Split your mobile screen into two. Split your mobile into two. Have you done it?
कसं हे करायचं
Ready with the split screen?
Press and hold.
ना. Can you see screen? All of you ready with your mobiles? Yes, Prafulla. Split it. Split screen into two in your mobile. And one screen you will be you have to observe. You'll be watching the Zoom screen and another quiz answers. There will be two screens. In one screen you'll be sharing Zoom. Please mute your mic, your audio.
Okay, all participants are requested to kindly mute your audio.
The host can mute by herself only. She can mute every time for all.
Okay.
No, but then unmute yourself.
Okay, yes, we can. I have muted them, but then they are unmuting themselves. So that's why I request everybody to keep their, full time keep their audios on mute. Okay, so as we proceed now, if for the participants who are using mobile phones, kindly split your screen. Select the option of split screen. So in one you can keep the meeting going, and on the other you'll have to open Kahoot.it. Okay. Uh, uh, the reason behind this is that on the Zoom meeting, the question of the quiz will be displayed, and on Kahoot, you will just merely see the options. The options MCQ, it's an MCQ form of a quiz, so you will get all the 4 options on the second screen. So therefore, it becomes a live interactive screen. If you are not able to split screen on your mobile phones, what you can do is you can open another window in which you have the Kahoot quiz. I, as the host, will be reading out the questions to you and the options to you, so you can switch between 2 screens. Okay, if you're unable to successfully use the split screen option on your mobile phones. Okay, and I will while stating the questions, I will state the color code of the options also. On the second screen, when you open Kahoot, you will have to select the color code. Okay, so I'll just show you. Yeah. So if you can see this image on the screen, okay, this is where we have taken the image of a split screen. Okay, so in this case, as you can see, the question is being displayed on the Zoom meeting. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? And you can see that there are 4 options. One is in red, one is in blue, one is in green, and one is in yellow. So the second screen uh, is where you can see 4 options: red, yellow, green, blue. So if you feel that blue one is the correct answer, then you select the blue option on your Kahoot screen. Okay. I will share. Okay, there are a lot of people who are asking for the Kahoot pin. I will share it shortly after I'm sure that people have logged in on this particular platform. So after, if you have split the screen or if you're using the laptops, just on the another window type in Kahoot, KAHOOT .it, Kahoot.it. Is everybody with me so far? Okay, so we'll just kindly hold on for 2 more minutes because I want to ensure that everybody is following and everybody has okay. Uh, Vanchika Verma, what problem are you facing? Vanchika Sharma, what problem are you facing exactly? Can you tell me? Uh, it's one word. You've just stated Kahoot. What exactly? It's KAHOOT.IT. Type it on the second window. Okay. Okay, so kindly everybody else who has managed to open Kahoot.it, wait, I will share a game pin with you. After which I will read out, after which you have to enter that in that game pin column and start the quiz. This is an live interactive quiz. That means all of us will start together. Okay. Now, okay. So Oppo A5 2020, you can is asking how to split. Please mute yourselves. Yeah, how to split screen. Okay, for splitting the screen you can select the long press your Zoom application. Okay, first minimize it, and where you can see all the applications that are open, long press one of it, then you will get an option of dividing the screen into two. That's how you split your screen. If you're not able to do it, please don't worry. Zoom meeting, you can still hear the audio, so you can just open another window of Google Chrome and put Kahoot.in it. Okay. Okay, so is my PPT screen visible to you? You can you see the game pin? Is this okay? Admit. After the quiz has started, don't admit people. Okay, so everybody, this is 355045 is your game pin. So kindly,
Could you please repeat?
okay, 355045. Divya Jain has just joined in. So if you enter this and you have to fill your name, afterwards you are on the platform. Okay, so Swati, Suraj, Taha, Rahul, Gayatri, Achal, these people, 10 players have managed to join. Okay, Oppo A5, you are using the wrong platform. You're supposed to just go on the Google Chrome and write kahoot.it. It's not kahoot.com, it's kahoot.it. IT. Okay, so we have 11 players who have joined so far. There are people who are still requesting the pin. The pin is 355045. I repeat, 355045. Please don't enter that as your name. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what Oppo 8 A5 2020 is sending. Please, it's I have repeated it many number of times. It's kahoot.it. Okay. So we'll just wait for 2 minutes so that everybody is able to join. We have still players who are joining in. So far we have 18 players. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the code again for 1603 355045. Okay. कई लोग हैं जो अलग अलग कर रहे हैं. Okay, we have kindly please wait for a minute. Players are still joining in, so we'll start in a bit. So like I said, in this, when we start the quiz, you won't be able to see the questions because the question is being displayed on my screen, that is in the Zoom meeting. Okay, so when I read out the question, you will be given four in front of your screen. If you are not able to use share split screen, you will be able to see four color cards. One will be red, blue, green and yellow. Okay, so I will be reading it in a particular format only because you have 60 seconds to answer each question. Okay, so take your time and choose the option. I will read out in the sequence itself. Okay, first I'll be reading out the red one, then the blue one, then the green one and then the yellow one. Okay, so I'll be reading out the options in this particular sequence only. So people who are not able to see my screen can just listen to the options carefully and follow this particular sequence. Okay, if you have any queries, you can ask me right now. Nickname is Vanshika. You can put your, you don't have to put a nickname. You can write your full name. Okay. Is there anybody who is still joining? Vanshika has just joined. Is there anybody else who is still trying to join the session? Dr. Shubhada Pathak, you asked, please color code. What exactly do you mean by that? Oppo A5 2020, I have told you multiple times, I'm going to repeat it again. In the window, just type in on the open a Google page, just type kahoot.it, and after that you will get a page where you have to enter your game pin, that is 355045. Okay. Okay, anybody else other than Oppo A5 who is waiting to join? If not, then we can start off with the quiz. There are 32 participants right now in the meeting and we have only 22. So if all are listening, I'm assuming, how many is there anybody else who is trying to join the quiz? Please put it on the chat. Otherwise, we will start with the quiz. Okay, one more player has joined. Manisha Kakade. Anybody else? This Oppo A5 is spamming, ban him. Abhi mat. Okay. Stop, Oppo A5, please stop posting everything here. 355045 is your game pin. Enter it and join. Abhi, let's start. Kindly note that only those people who participate in the quiz will get a certificate. Okay, so if you are you have joined the meeting, that will not count. You have to participate in the quiz to actually get a certificate. So the 34 participants who have joined the meeting, kindly register yourself for the quiz. Taha, do you have a question? You have raised your hand. Okay, so we have one more participant, Dr. Shubh. Right now we are restricting our queries only to the quiz. Any other queries you can put it on the Telegram platform.
Open your Google, type kahoot.it, then Click on it, open the site, and you will get the enter the game pin. The game pin is there on your Zoom screen. After entering the game pin, you can split your screen, or otherwise you can use your screen alternatively.
Okay, so is everybody ready? We'll start now.
Type Y if you are ready.
Just type Y if you're ready. We'll commence now. Yes.
So quiz starts now. The first question, which national park is famous for? Picture is shown here. Bandipur National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Rajaji National Park, and Jim Corbett National Park.
60 seconds. Bandipur is in red. वो बोलना. Bandipur.
Which national park is famous for? The picture which is shown here, observe that picture. Bandipur National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Rajaji National Park, Jim Corbett National Park.
Okay, the picture is that of a rhinoceros. For the people who are not able to, who do not have the split screen option, which national park is famous for a rhinoceros? Bandipur National Park in red, Kaziranga National Park in blue, Rajaji National Park in green, and Jim Corbett National Park in yellow. Rhinoceros is the picture.
Hello, I couldn't see the picture. There's no picture.
Ma'am, it already said time up and I got to know the question right now that it is rhinoceros. There is no picture.
You couldn't see the, are you you're supposed to, are you using split screen? Because you're supposed to see the Zoom meeting. The question will be displayed
No,
on the
it's
Zoom
very
meeting.
static. It's just a static, like it's just a picture. It's like there's no rhinoceros or anything. It's just like a frozen.
Yes,
screen.
Exactly. The picture is not coming. Only the main screen is coming. We couldn't see any picture. When you spoke, I could answer.
Okay. So the problem
We cannot see any picture. We have split screen.
Yeah.
Okay. So
it
are you
already says time.
okay?
Everyone gets 1 mark.
Please, can you see 1 second? Yes. Now, can you see, what can you see on the screen? Which national park is famous for? Can you see what is the screen that is visible?
Yes, there are
Yes.
four.
Yes, we can see now.
Okay, so now I think everybody has got an idea. So we'll proceed. I will read out for the
But
people
we
who
didn't
are.
get to answer this. We
Yes,
did not get to answer
I
this, ma'am.
understand. Okay, so this was the first question.
So we'll move on next.
Yeah, we'll move with the next. Anyway, this. Sorry about this glitch.
It's
I
okay, it's okay.
apologize. So with regard to the first question, there was Vanshika who got it. Hi. Please mute your mics. There are a lot of disturbances, so I request all the participants to kindly mute the mic. Okay. So we'll start with the next question. Kindly be ready. Okay, so I hope you can see the question. Which one of the following is not matched correctly? Which one of the following is not matched correctly? In the red, you have the option of Periyar, Kerala. In blue, you have the option of Ranthambore, Rajasthan. In green, you have the option of Hemis, high altitude, Himachal Pradesh. And in yellow, you have the option of Kaziranga, Assam. You have 34 seconds now to answer the question. Okay.
So is it okay? Now we'll move on to the next. So Divya Jain is the highest scorer. We'll move to the next. Which one of the following is not used for ex situ plant conservation? Red, seed banks; blue, field gene banks; green, botanical garden; and yellow, shifting cultivation. Yes, 14 people answered yellow. So we'll see the result. Shifting cultivation is the answer. So Pranvi score, higher scorer, 2,371. We'll move to the next one. The illegal killing of African elephants for their tusk and ivory is known as poaching, hunting, harvest, extinction. Poaching red, hunting blue, harvest green, extinction yellow. The illegal killing of African elephants for their tusks and ivory is known as answer is poaching. Yes, and 17 people got the correct answer. Oppo,
Yes, yes.
so we'll move to the next one. You can see the scores on the board. Which one of the following areas in India Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? Western Ghats, Sundarbans, Eastern Ghats, Gangetic Plains. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? Western Ghats, red; Sundarbans, blue; Eastern Ghats, green; Gangetic Plains, yellow. Sorry, orange. Answer is Western Ghats. Again, the 17 people have answered correctly. So 17 number is fixed. Pranvi is the first highest scorer. You can see the scores. Taha is the second highest and Dr. Utkarsha is the third highest till now. We'll move for the next question. Which is the wildflower, the symbol of the Gujarat state? Which wildflower is the symbol of Gujarat state? Calotropis procera, red. Ocimum sanctum, blue. Eichhornia crucipis, green. Indian laburnum, orange. Calotropis procera, red. Ocimum sanctum, blue. Eichhornia crucipis, green. Indian laburnum, orange. Nine correct answers. Indian laburnum is the correct answer. 9 of you have answered it correctly. Get the score. Now Taha is at the first rank. We'll go for the next one.
Ma'am, I think your screen froze, ma'am.
Screen froze. No, it's working. You can't see.
No, we can't see it.
The areas of the Rajasthan and Gujarat, I'm reading for you. Rajasthan and
Okay, okay,
Gujarat have high level of desert animal species as well as numerous rare animals. It is true or false? Blue is true, red is false.
Read again.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Hello, how to answer?
Read again.
Hello, ma'am.
Desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat have high level of desert animal species as well as numerous rare animals. True or false? True is blue and false is red.
Hello, ma'am. How to answer the question? I'm not getting it.
You joined late?
No, ma'am. At 3:10.
So instructions are given. You have to click
Actually, ma'am, voice was breaking actually.
So you would have stated at the time in the chat box itself.
Hello.
19 correct answers. It is false. We'll move to the next and we'll get the score. So Taha is at the first rank. Yes. Any problem?
Yeah, your screen is still frozen.
Ma'am, your screen is frozen.
Frozen means it is not moving.
Without moving screen, we just cannot, because we talk out late and then we are not able to understand what is the question and we then type out wrong answer.
Your screen is still showing the same question, which is the wildflower of symbol of Gujarat state. That question is on screen, not the one you asked.
Screen is just frozen. We can't see the questions.
We need to see the screen.
Because we cannot see the time
We
limit
just cannot see the time limit and we just cannot then answer properly, because when you read it out, it is very slow when you read it out. Half the time is gone while you are reading and some people are speaking in between. So we cannot answer question, understand the question.
It's okay. It's okay. They try to resolve the issue. It's
That
fine,
is,
it's
I
fine.
think your network problem. It is you're reaching it due to delay, because here my screen is moving.
No, it's happening. It's happening to everyone, ma'am. Like,
Yes, ma'am, it's happening to everyone. We can't see the time limit.
Time limit is 60 seconds for all. When the question starts, it is 60 seconds.
But the screen has stopped for most of the people. It cannot be like that.
So I think
definitely not on Wi-Fi.
Your Wi-Fi speed must be slow.
No. It's for everyone, ma'am. I don't think like
It's
It's
Yes,
happening
ma'am. It's
to all.
frozen.
Everyone, ma'am.
It's happening to all.
It's not from our side, ma'am. Like, yeah.
So shall I move ahead or what to do?
Yeah. I don't know.
We don't know what to say.
Now what is going on your screen? Can you see the scoreboard?
No, we
No.
can't actually.
No.
No.
It's not moving.
Symbol
No.
of Gujarat state. That question is repeatedly showing on our screen and nothing else.
Can we
Yeah.
restart?
Restart though.
अब वो हमें
Restart quiz again.
Yes,
No, no,
ma'am.
no.
Not to restart. Just go back
But
and try
why?
to go ahead.
Okay, we will go for the next. It doesn't matter what you scored.
But then you have to speak fast and
Okay.
clearly, and so that no one should speak in between.
Yeah, so you that one thing I'll speak fast, but if you are not able to read the screen at the same time, you're receiving it late.
You can try to time your entries. When the markets come at a good level, you can do a bigger purchase. That is can be done in case of mutual fund. Otherwise, in mutual fund, you are more of a long term.
कंटाळा मला
buy and
यांचा हे
hold, nothing
सर्टिफिकेट
else.
देणार नाहीत बहुधा त्यांच्या क्लासमध्ये तर नाही आहे मी त्यांना
If any stock sudden down, then what about this stock? So, Mr. Sarvesh,
17
stop loss is
55
there. So
17
there is a chance that you may learn your stock. So, within 5
It is not just for me, certificate. Please. Those who are interested only in certificate, they can mail me. I'll send them certificates. This technical, I'm also not a technical person. Try to understand. I have done it as I'm also struggling for this.
Yeah.
In this, I'm trying this, and I'm just trying, and I just want to give the practice and the how you can do in the digital way. I'm from your age only. That means I'm not from the younger generation.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Please continue. Please.
No,
Sorry for that.
those who want, please let me know. Certificate is not an issue. If you are doing only for the certificate, you'll get the certificate.
Is not an issue, madam. But
No, somebody said on the back side.
Okay.
That I'm not going to give them certificate. It is not getting it. So it is not for the certificate.
And please ask others even to stop the chat.
I'm asking all the time. They are unmuting their mic, and individually, then I'll have to go and check who has unmuted, and then it is difficult for me to search all of them. Because see, I can unmute all the time at the time of entry, mute them. But everybody has got the mic, they can unmute it. So shall we proceed further?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sorry for a little bit harsh.
No, it's okay.
Can you see now? Estimated percentage of endemic plants in India is 20%, 18%, 12%, and 2%. And estimated percentage of endemic plants in India is 20%, 18%, 12%, and 2%. 25 seconds are remaining.
Yeah, what were the colors?
Colors, I'm in sequence only. Red, blue, green, and orange. I'm reading in sequence. 20% red, 18% blue, 12% green, 2% orange. 8 seconds. Now, what screen is showing? 18% is the answer, correct answer?
Still frozen.
Oh.
It says started screen sharing, but nothing comes.
1 sec.
It has come now.
Oh yeah, it's working a bit.
Okay. You can see the square answers. Answer 18%.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, now
Question
it's
also
visible.
visible.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yes,
now it's visible.
Okay. So shall we move ahead? Next.
Yes.
Now let us see the scoreboard. Taha is at the first rank. Pranvi is second. Rahul Sadhwani third. Dr. Utkarsha Fourth, and Divya Jain. We'll move on the next question. India has 23.39 of the geographical area under forest cover, first. Second, India harbors 4 out of 34 global biodiversity hotspot. Red, 1 is true, 2 is true, then green, both are true, and orange, none is true. I'll read again. India has 23.39% of geographical area under forest cover. Second statement, India harbors 4 out of 34 global biodiversity hotspot. 1 is true, 2 is true, third green is both are true, and orange none is true. Time is up. 10 people have answered correctly. Both are true. The scoreboard. Again, the Taha is first one. We'll go to the next question. Shall we move? This has maximum genetic diversity in India. 1, red potato, blue tea, green tick, and orange mango. The maximum genetic diversity in India is in 1, potato, second, blue tea, third, tick, fourth, mango. Mango is the answer. 17 people have answered it rightly. Score Taha is again at the top. We'll move on the next question. Now is it going on okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is generally not seen in the biodiversity hotspots. 1, red, endemism, blue, loss of diversity, green, lesser interspecific competitions, orange, species richness. This is generally not seen in biodiversity hotspots. Red, endemism, blue, loss of diversity, green, lesser interspecific competitions, and orange, species richness. The answer is lesser interspecific competition. 7 have answered correctly. Oh, Pranvi moved on the first rank. We'll move on the next. Tasmanian tiger is now extinct. State true or false? Tasmanian tiger is now extinct. Blue is true and red is false. Blue is true and red is false. Tasmanian tiger is now extinct. Twenty-two people answered correctly. So we'll move on to the next. Oh, PN is at the top. We'll move to the next. The theme for International Day of Biological Diversity 2020 is red, our solutions are in nature, mainstreaming biodiversity blue, marine biodiversity green, our biodiversity, our food, our health. The theme for International Day of Biological Diversity 2020 is our solutions are in nature, mainstreaming biodiversity blue, marine biodiversity green, our biodiversity, our food, our health orange. Wow, 23 of you have answered correctly. Our solutions are in nature. PN again at the first rank. We'll move to the next. Black buck, first statement, black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh. Second statement, ox is state animal of Bihar. Options, red, one is true, blue, both are true, green, none is true, orange, two is true, second is true. First statement, black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Second statement, ox is state animal of Bihar. Red, one is true, blue, both are true, green, none is true, orange, second is true. Oh, both are true. Answer is both are true.
For Bihar, it's gaur, not ox.
Gaur, I'll check it.
It's okay.
I'll check it. Okay. I'll correct it. I'll check it and I'll correct. Thank you. We'll move to the next. This day is the World Bee Day. 22nd April, 20th May, 5th June, 21st May. World Bee Day, red, 22nd April, 20th May, blue, 5th June, green, 21st May, orange. So 17 have answered correctly, 20th May. PN is it again fast. We'll move to the next. This invasive weed is introduced in India accidentally and has become threat to endemic plants. Red, Congress grass, blue, Bermuda grass, green, doob grass, and orange, jawar grass. This invasive weed is introduced in India accidentally and has become threat to endemic plants. Wow. Congress grass is answer. 8 of you have answered correctly. Oh, so there are newcomers lined up down. PN is again at the first. MO, Arpita, Nishan, and Suraj. Which of the following would be the effective in slowing the loss of biodiversity? Red, creating large parks or preserves in the biodiversity hotspots. Blue, freezing fertilized eggs of endangered animals. Green, setting aside small plots of land in every ecosystem. Orange, requiring every country to maintain seed bank. Which of the following would be effective in slowing the process of biodiversity? Red, creating large parks, preserves in biodiversity hotspots. Freezing fertilized eggs of endangered animals. Setting aside small plots of land in every ecosystem. Requiring every country to maintain seed bank. Orange. Oh, 10 of you have answered correct answer. Sorry, wrong. 5 of you setting aside small plots of land in every ecosystem. So majority of the answers are wrong. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Which term describes protection and wise use of resources? Red, ecology. Blue, conservation. Green, ecology. Oh, sorry, repeated. It's stewardship. Orange is stewardship. Which term describes the protection and wise use of resources? Ecology, conservation. Ecology again, it is wrong here, repeated. Stewardship. Conservation, right answer. Majority of you answered correctly. Okay, again, PN is at the top. To the next question. The biodiversity hotspot contains dash of its original vegetation. Red, less than 30%. Blue, more than 30%. Green, more than 50%. Orange, none. Biodiversity hotspot contains dash of its original vegetation. Red, less than 30%. Blue, more than 30%. Green, more than 50%. Orange, none. More than 30% is the answer. 8 of you answered correctly. Okay, MO moved up. Next question. Which statement is true for extinction? Red, it is occurring all the time. Blue, it happens at constant rate. Green, it occurs only during the mass extinction time. And orange, It occurs less frequently over the time. Which statement is true for extinction? Red, it occurs all the time. It happens at constant rate. It occurs only during the mass extinction time. It is a green. It occurs less frequently over the time, orange. It occurs all the time. Majority of you answered correctly. So it's MO at the highest score. We'll move to the next one. Three types of biodiversity are red, species, genetic, ecosystem. Blue, genes, cellular, organisms. Green, water, land, mountain. And orange, genes, trait, characters. Three types of biodiversity are species, genetic, ecosystem, red. Genes, cellular, organisms, blue. Water, land, mountain, green. Genes, traits, characters, orange. Great. Species, genetic, ecosystem, majority, maximum. People answered correctly. Go for the score. Oh, PN moved to the first. Again. Which of the following does not maintain biodiversity? Which of the following does not maintain biodiversity? Growing variety of plants on a farm, red. Protecting all species in an ecosystem, blue. Removing an important predator in an ecosystem, green. Protecting the habitats in ecosystem, orange. Removing an important predator in an ecosystem is answer. Majority of you answered rightly. So scoreboard, PN again at the top. We'll move to the next one. Species native to a particular area are keystone species, red. Endemic species, blue. Endangered species, orange. And biodiversity, green. Species particular to area are keystone species, red. Endemic species, blue. Biodiversity, green. And endangered species, orange. Yes, endemic species. 16 of you have answered correctly. The highest scorer again is the PM. Okay. Swati and Arpita moved in. Over 400 species of coral live in dash the largest living structure on the earth. Red, kakadu. Uluru, blue. The Great Dividing Range, green. the Great Barrier Reef, orange. Yes, the Great Barrier Reef. Again, majority of you answer rightly. Screw PN is again at the first stop. Disaster that messes with the biodiversity. Red, creepers. Blue, distraction. Green, desalination. And disturbance is the orange. Disaster that messes with the biodiversity. Creepers, red. Distraction, blue. Desalination, green. And disturbance, orange. So disturbance is the answer, correct answer. Okay, we'll move to the next. One benefit of the biodiversity is red, stabilizes food webs. Blue, secures important niches. Green, all of these. And orange, promotes healthy competitive ecosystem. Who is posting answers in the chat? Please don't post it. We'll stop the quiz here. So shall we stop here?
No, ma'am. No, please.
This Oppo guy, he's just like, he keeps like posting the answers.
Oh, so remove that Oppo guy out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
He's creating a pop. I'll find it out. Wait. Oppo guy find out. Oppo. Three. Okay. So actually, time is over. So shall we proceed further, or will we stop here?
Yes.
Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
So scoreboard, you can see PN is at the top, MO second, Suraj is at the third, Arpita and Swati. Okay, we'll move next. Which of the following would indicate the greatest problem to the ecosystems? Red, there has been recently change in ecosystems weather. Blue, The temperature in the ecosystem has increased over many years. Green, population of predators of increase and decrease pattern. And orange, ecosystem includes only few kinds of plants and animals. Red, there has been recently change in ecosystem weather. The temperature in the ecosystem has increased over many years. Population of predators of increase and decrease pattern. Ecosystem includes only few kinds of plants and animals. Correct answer is ecosystem includes only few kinds of plants and animals. As rainforest is turned into the farmland, what would reduced? Red, consumption of the solar energy. Blue, sustainability over the time. Green, average daily temperature. Orange, precipitation levels. If as a rainforest is turned into farmland, what would reduced? Red, consumption of solar energy. Blue, sustainability over the time. Green, average daily temperature. Orange, precipitation levels. Sustainability over the time. Okay, majority have answered correctly. Scoreboard. Again, PN is at the top. Move to the next one. Humans depend on the biodiversity except medicine, red, shelter, blue, weather, green, food, orange. Weather. Okay. We move to the next one. This is the last question. Universally accepted primary reason for biodiversity loss is red, habitat loss. Blue, global climate change. Green, pollution. And orange, overpopulation. Universally accepted primary reason for biodiversity loss is red, habitat loss. Blue, global climate change. Green, pollution. Orange, overpopulation. Yes, habitat loss is the correct answer. So we'll end the game here. Suraj Kewat at the third number. Second rank is on MO. And the first at the podium is PN. PN and MO, can you please type your full name? Oh, that. Praveen Gopal Krishna Nayak, and MO is Nandita Singh. Congratulations all.
Thank you, ma'am.
So these scores are based on how quickly you answer, the time taken to answer that and correct answer. ये शेयर बंद करना. Okay. So any doubts or any questions anybody want to ask? One by one you can ask. And one instruction before that, there will be the Google form quiz at 5:30. Link will be shared on your Telegram group. It is time-bound quiz. It is of 50 marks. And as soon as the link opens, the only 20 minutes are given for it, and then the link will get closed. So be on right time on the Telegram group, and you can solve and submit that Google form quiz.
You have sent the ID for Telegram group, or you will be sending later?
No, Telegram group is long back. It is form, ma'am. When you registered at that time, you didn't click that link.
I don't think so.
Madam,
no,
I also
didn't.
could not join.
No.
Register. I tried for the Telegram, but I couldn't join.
Okay. So
Could you please
I
send
had
it
my
on WhatsApp
Telegram
group, the link, so that we can join?
You are joined that WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I have joined the WhatsApp group, but I have Telegram on my laptop.
Okay, but Telegram, then just you can check it. I'll post it on the WhatsApp group, but you can check your email when you registered. At that time, you would have received the back mail. In that, the link is there. Between 10 and 13.
Madam, I am on the problem group, WhatsApp group.
Could you please resend it once again, so that, because otherwise there are so many emails daily basis coming on our email. To find that email will be really difficult.
But because sending email to everyone is also difficult for me again. So it will be better that you the WhatsApp group.
So
Put it on WhatsApp group.
Yeah, you can put it on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group, it is there on the brochure WhatsApp group, how to join, and the initial brochure.
No, I am already there on the WhatsApp group. You just send the link so that we can find.
Madam, excuse me.
Yes.
When you say WhatsApp group, is it what is called as a problem group?
Yes, WhatsApp problem registration problem.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that on that group I'll post it.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now
Okay. I got it. Join the Telegram group by the link given below. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
I don't have the link, ma'am.
I'll put it on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So, anybody having any else? Yes. Okay, I'll send it on WhatsApp group. Okay. It's Telegram. Any doubt? Tomorrow the webinar will be there on at 11. So again, the Zoom, it will be through Zoom only.
You will be sending the
yes link half an hour early.
Okay, fine. Thanks a lot.
Where you will be sending it?
Email.
Email. Okay. Yes.
So again, I'm repeating the announcement for this Google quiz. today at 5:30 exactly, the Google quiz is there. It is of 50 marks. 20 minutes time is there. It is time bound. Link will not remain open afterwards. It will be closed after 20 minutes.
Ma'am, how we have to join the quiz? By same method?
Which one? Who is this?
I think it's that Oppo guy only.
No, I removed him.
Okay. But you will be only able to see.
Yeah, but I'll have to search for him. No,
You can
Ma'am,
mute
the
all, ma'am.
marks of
You're the
the quiz and the next year would be added.
It's Praful Vichare. You can see in participants, it's Praful Vichare.
Participants. Participants. Okay.
What is happening? I am not able to.
Okay, not able to locate. Huh?
You can mute all, ma'am. It's in the control.
No, I am muted all, but they can unmute themselves.
Acha.
They have that my unmuting feature with them. Okay, so is it clear about today's quiz at the 5:30 evening?
Ma'am, 5:30 we have to join with the same link.
The link will be given in the Telegram group. It will be separate link. It is Google Form quiz.
Okay.
50 marks quiz. And so you have to submit it. The link is there. This is not this kind of interactive quiz. It is just a Google Form quiz.
Yeah, okay.
So any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any feedback? Anybody wants to give any feedback?
Ma'am, the quiz was wonderful except the frozen part. In between
Yeah.
there
Sorry,
are...
it happened something wrong with here, and it has
Yeah.
frozen. So sorry for that, because I'm also not a technical person. I'm also learning the
It's
things.
okay, ma'am.
This idea came just in the lockdown itself. So I first learned it, and then I thought of hosting this.
Idea was definitely wonderful.
Okay. So various results of the all competitions, they will be on 25th, and any other information will be given on the groups. So don't leave the group right now for the participants, particularly the students who have participated in the activities, because we'll be doing the e-publishing of the poster or something like that. The decision has not been taken right now, but you'll be informed later on. Okay. Thank you all of you.
Thank you.
So we'll end the meeting over here.